Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 3. Today, we will explain the results of our discussion. The material is about research instruments. The member of group, there is Jenny Fitria, and then Veronisa Heristin, Larasiti Nurrahmah, and Radia. Okay, next, we go to the explanation. The first material about definition, types of research instruments, and choosing the right instruments will be explained by Larasiti Nurrahmah. So Laras, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will explain about the material. The first is definition. A research instrument refers to any tools used to collect, measure, and analyze data relevant to a research topic. These instruments play a crucial role in various fields, including social science and health sciences. Okay, the next material is there are four types of research instruments. Number one is questionnaire, a structured data collection with a set of questions designed to elicit responses for respondents. Number one is interview. Interview involves direct interaction with respondents to gain detailed insight into specific contexts or experiences. Number three, observation. Observation, researchers directly observe and record behaviors, events, or phenomena. And the last, number four, reading. While not always considered a traditional research instrument, reading existing literature and documents is essential for data collection. Next material is choosing the right instrument. Firstly, researchers select an appropriate instrument based on the type of study, like quantitative, qualitative, or mixed method. Secondly, validated and reliable instruments are preferred. And thirdly, the chosen instrument should align with the research aims, objectives, and questions. Okay, that's all for me, and back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Laras, for the explanation. Next material is about describing instruments in research papers and explanation of types research instruments. It will be explained by Radia. To Radia, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Next material is describing instruments in a research paper. Researchers describe the instrument used in the method section of their paper. Established instrument may be used by researchers, can also create new ones if needed. Next. Explanation of types. First one is questionnaire. A questionnaire is a structured data collection instrument commonly used in normative surveys. It consists of a systematically prepared form or document with a set of questions designed to elicit responses from respondents or research information. Researchers use questionnaires to collect data or information on specific topics. Respondents answer the question and the responses constitute the data for analysis. The credibility and quality of data obtained from questionnaires depend on factors such as question formulation, administration methods, and respondent influence. Next. Second is interview. Interviews are a qualitative data collection method. Researchers conduct interviews to gain detailed insight into specific contexts, explore ideas, or understand experience. Interviews involve direct interaction with respondents, allowing for in-depth exploration of topics. Types of interviews include structured, semi-structured, and unstructured interviews. Researchers can adapt interview questions based on the context and respondents' answers. That's all from me. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Radia, for the explanation. The next material will be continue to Jenny. By Jenny, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Now I will explain about observations. Observation is a method where researchers directly observe and record behaviors, events, or phenomena. It can be either structured following a predefined plane or structure allowing flexibility. Observations are useful for studying natural behavior, social interactions, and patterns. Researchers must maintain objectivity and avoid influencing of the observed subject. Okay, the next is reading. While not always considered a traditional research instrument, reading is essential for data collections. Researchers review existing literature, documents, reports, and other written materials. Reading helps researchers gain insights, identify gaps, and build on existing knowledge. And it is particularly valuable in secondary data analysis. Okay, that's all from me. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Jenny, for the explanation. The last but not least, the material is about step of designing and developing a research instrument. It will be explained by me. There is eight steps of designing and developing a research instrument. First is identify and define constructs and variables. Begin by clearly identifying and defining the constructs and variables you wish to measure. This will guide the type of instruments you choose or develop. Second, choose the type of instrument. Decide on the types of instrument that best fits your research goals. This could be a questionnaire, a scale, an interview guide, or another method of data collection. Third, review existing instruments. Search for existing instruments that have been validated and used in similar studies. This can save time and provide a solid foundation for your own instrument. Fourth, develop your instrument. If no suitable instruments exist, you'll need to create your own. This involves planning, constructions, and evaluating the instrument through a series of rigorous phases. Fifth, ensure ethical compliance. Follow ethical principles and guidelines when selecting or developing your instruments, especially if your research involves human subjects. Sixth, a pilot test. Before using the instrument in your main study, conduct a pilot test to check for clarity, reliability, and validity. Make necessary adjustments based on feedback. Seventh, data collection procedures. Plan how you will administer the instruments, including instructions for participants, and how you will record responses. And last, data analysis. Decide on the strategies you will use to analyze the data collected from your instrument. This should align with your research aims and the type of data you expect to collect. And that's all our explanation. I hope you understand about what we explained. And thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.